Appendix carry can be awesome or it can be miserable. If your gun is digging into your stomach, printing through your shirt, or sliding all over the place, that's not the gun's fault. It's yours. But here's the good news. Fixing it only takes 3 things. And once you dial those in, then appendix carry becomes one of the most concealable and comfortable ways to carry a gun. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Modern Protector, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. If you're interested in all things concealed carry, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get right into mastering appendix carry concealment. Find the right position for your body type. Appendix carry is not one size fits all, and your body has hills and valleys. Some spots hide the gun naturally well, and some spots make it stick out like you're smuggling a brick. It's not a great look. And it's different for everybody depending on your body. That's why your buddy's holster position doesn't automatically work for you. I hate when gun guys are like, oh, just put it here like I do and everything will work out perfectly. Probably not. Let's look at it like positions on a clock. Straight up in front, like the 12 o'clock position, may work for some guys, especially if you're really lean. But most of us need to shift it off center closer to the 1 o'clock or even 1:30 position. This is still appendix carry, but it's off to the side just a little bit. Then play with the height of your holster. If you're built really lean and you want the most mobility, then keeping your gun pretty high can work really well for concealment and for getting to your gun consistently. If you've got a tactical shelf that pushes the gun outward against your shirt, then you may need to place the gun a little bit lower underneath your belly to use your tactical shelf to your advantage in concealing the gun. It's worth the trial and error because once you find that perfect pocket for your body type, then concealment and comfort both go way up. Make sure you stick around to the end because the last tip is the most game-changing tip for comfort. The second tip is to use the right belt. Now I know what you're thinking, I already use a belt. If your belt is floppy or too flexible, then your gun is going to sag, shift, and print, and you're gonna hate appendix carry. That's why I use Core Essentials belts, the sponsor of today's video. Core Essentials belts are made with a sturdy inner core that keeps its round, stiff shape to pull the gun into your body without pinching you or taking the shape of your gun. It really helps the shape of your gun to blend into the shape of your body. It's pretty amazing the difference that it makes for concealment. The ratchet system lets you make micro adjustments throughout the day. They also have a brand new line of belts that are 1 1/4 inch, so they're much more minimal and they work great for concealed carry. If you need a good everyday carry belt, then check them out at coreessentials.com and use code WORKMAN10 for 10% off. But what if you don't want to wear a traditional belt? What if you're wearing gym shorts or sweatpants? There are still some options that work for beltless carry, like the Blackout belt, the Hunter Constantine belt, or the Filster Enigma if you've got the extra money. They're not cheap, but they work. These let you carry securely even if you're not wearing jeans and a belt. The point is to find a belt system that works with your lifestyle. Because if you're constantly fighting your gear, then you're not going to consistently carry, which is kind of the point. The last piece of the puzzle is a holster wedge. This is where most people's setup falls apart. I can't tell you how many people that I've talked to who have said, yeah, I've tried appendix carry and I liked it at first, but I just couldn't handle the holster digging into my privates. Or they say I couldn't conceal well because the grip of the gun kept kicking away from my body. A holster wedge can solve both of these problems. A holster wedge is just a piece of foam that attaches to the back of your holster. This one's just made out of a yoga block from Walmart. It's ridiculously simple. But a holster wedge does 2 massive things. The first is concealment. The wedge pushes the bottom of the holster out, which tips the grip of the gun inward towards your body. Instead of sticking out, it disappears against your body.
It's gone.
The second is comfort. Without a wedge, you've got the sharp edge of the Kydex holster digging into you. With a wedge, that pressure gets spread out and you've got some cushion. It's cheap, it's simple, and honestly, it's one of the biggest upgrades that you can make. If appendix carry feels uncomfortable for you right now, this is probably the missing piece. Do these 3 things and appendix carry stops being uncomfortable and starts feeling natural. That's when carrying every day becomes second nature and not something that you dread. If you gained value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more concealed carry tips. Until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.